Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you're staying cool wherever you are. It's a hot one here in Pennsylvania today. Just had our air off for about 20 minutes. We had our yearly maintenance done. Normally we would have done it in May, but we didn't do it. We just had the air on, so you know, every year we have somebody come out and just check everything. Make sure everything's fine. This way we don't run into thousands of dollars instead of just like under 100 for like a little PM maintenance thing. So the air's back on and it's starting to get cool in here again. I have Eyescream Beauty bag, $12.50 a month, and usually you get 3 products, sometimes 4, products. I'm just taking everything out of the bag. You do get a card for Eyescream Beauty bag. So we have 3 items in this month's bag. This is take 2. I was going to film elsewhere just to make life a little easier for me. And I have 2 additional lights. And I'm going to use a backdrop. And the backdrop is just like sucking in all the light. So I'm like, oh, I don't know if I need 2 more lights specifically on the backdrop to brighten it up, but everything just was way too dark. So like I said, this is $12.50 a month, or did I not say that? I don't know. Taxes included. We do pay shipping of $4. Still not bad for what you get, and they generally put a palette in every bag. And like I said, take 2. So I'm aware of some of these products already. So we have another Color Your Smile lip gloss from Gerard Cosmetics. And this one is Seduction. Right here. It's another deep, dark color. But I want to show you the one we got in the box. And this is, I think, James. So this is the one we got in the box, and this is the one we're getting now. So they're so similar. This one's actually a tad darker, and I did swatch this one when I did it the first time. There's lights in the lids and a mirror. I mean, you can see this is a purple. I'll swatch it again. It's a deep purple right there. You can see the light. I don't think we need to get 2 of the same similar shades, one from the bag, one from the box. Now, granted, most people might not get both units from Eyescream Beauty, but I don't know. Like I said when I filmed it the first time, I think sometimes, and not all the times, brands will send colors, shades that are not selling so great for them, and then give these bags a good deal for it, and, we get it then, instead of it being purchased. Just don't make them shades honestly. And what I did say in the first round here, and I'll let it sit on my hand like I did, but it feathered on all the fine lines and fine lines in my hand. So it's going to do it on your lips. That's all I can say. Here we have from Crown, and that is $24. From Crown Pro, we have large eyeshadow singles, $12. So there's 4 of them. Like I said, this is take 2, so these are out. So this is Best Dawn Black C11. So this is definitely a black. And I don't know if that helps or not, but this is definitely a black. This one is Infidelity. This is a shimmer. So this is a nice purpley shade. I don't know. Sometimes it gets darker as it goes closer. So that's a nice one. This one is Chocolate Ganache. This is also another matte right here. Not bad. Some of these I would use. I don't know if I would use all of them. And then this one is Chestnut, and this is another shimmer. So another lighter shade right here. Right there. Not bad. I don't know if I would use all those, but we have 4 of them, so that's nice. And then we have this for $20 from Zisa Cosmetics. Tipsy Kitty Eyeshadow Quad. Came in this little box. And this is what she looks like. She's cute. Nice little, like, gold case. And this is magnetic. Does have a mirror. Oh, mirror. There is a little protective shade, sheet. Real pretty, like purples on the top and some berries, rose, pinky colors on the bottom. Pretty. I mean, they have some nice packaging, and this is magnetic, like I said. So that's really cute. So we have $20, $44, $46, $56 worth of value for $16.50 for Eyescream Beauty Bag for the month of June. Let me know your thoughts on brands like this that shoot out. And I don't know if you guys can start to see that. Like, it doesn't seem to be doing it too much, but it was feathery a little bit. And I don't know. I'm going to leave it sit a longer. But this is the shade we got in the box. And then this is the shade we have in the bag. Very similar. So, like, I would have preferred two separate shades. Like a pink, you know, a nude. You know, there's so many shades that Gerard Cosmetics has. But to send, like I said, tell me your thoughts on brands that do this. I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.